Hi, in this video I will share with you how to get the every 0, 1, 2, 3 the third items in every list here. See because the third item in every of the list item here is score, so I want to extract that and put it into a new column, right? I've been finding this for a while, and then suddenly, right, God give me this idea, right? I learned it, but I forgot that, right? So the way to do that is, right. So let's say you already have this list here, right? You can say that this is the list here, right? So I kind of getting it from this item here, right? This is score. So I actually want to get this column egg, and I just want this value here, this value. So first I will extract this column into another column, right? It will be another column, and then after that I expand it as a list, right? And then it become this. So now then you can what you can do is that you extract the third one. So how do we get that extracted, right? So we go to the add column, right? Custom column, and the way to do that is just check this out, right? This is custom column, right? So I just double click custom column, and I want the third item, so I use a curly bracket, put the third. So in PowerQuery, the first item is the index is 0, then 0, 1, 2, 3. So I put it in 3 and click OK. And there you are, right? I'm extracting the every third items here, right? You can see that, right? This is the one I'm watching, it's matching this. Okay, same goes with this. Okay, so finally I can do this with a percentage. Alright, nicely done, right? So that is a scholarship of 21 stuff. And thanks for watching this.